Amazon stock is down over 5% year to date in 2025. However, it is up from the lows below $170 a share in late April after the Liberation Day tariffs spooked investors away from Amazon stock. But I'm going to look at Amazon stock on a longer term perspective in this video and answer where do I think Amazon stock price could be by the end of the year 2030. Now, to make that stock price prediction, I'm going to look at several estimates and I'm going to make a few assumptions. But I'm going to share with you all of those estimates and assumptions so you can see where I'm getting the numbers, where I'm getting the information, and the calculations I'm making to come up with this estimate. That way you can determine for yourself if my estimates are overly optimistic or pessimistic or if they're right on point. So to make this stock price estimate, I need a few numbers, and the first number I'm going to need is Amazon's earnings per share estimate for the year 2027. Now I'm getting these numbers, as I mentioned, all of these numbers are coming from FinChat, but FinChat is getting this number from the Wall Street analyst estimates that are following Amazon stock. The Wall Street analysts expect Amazon will deliver $8.93 in earnings per share in 2027, and that would be a 23% increase from the 2026 earnings per share of $7.25 they are estimating. So I mentioned I also need the forward 1-year price to earnings ratio, and I'm getting this number again from FinChat. And the forward PE for Amazon is 33. And you can see it's on the lower end of where this company has traded for according to this valuation metric, going all the way back to January of 2023. All right, so now that I have all of the estimates and assumptions I need from the Wall Street analyst and from the current market multiple, I can incorporate my calculations to come up with my prediction for where I think Amazon stock will be by the end of 2030. So let's start up here where I mentioned the 2027 earnings per share of $8.93. You remember I got that from the Wall Street analyst estimate. And I said I'm going to forecast those earnings will grow by 20% annually between 2027 and 2031. So I'm forecasting that earnings per share will increase to $10.72 in 2028, $12.86 in 29, $15.43 in 2030, and $18.52 in 2031, which is the number I need to make my stock price prediction for 2030. Click the link below to watch the full video.